Okay, so let's have this problem. So to find the slope of the curve at the given point, then from this given, so first we need to find the first derivative and take note that for the derivative of x, that's equal to 1. The derivative of x squared, this is 2x. The derivative of x to the power 4, this is 4 times x minus 1 for the exponent to the power 3, and for the derivative of 3x to the power 5. So multiply these numbers. 3 times 5, that's 15. Then x minus 1 for the exponent, so to the power 4. Then for the derivative of y, that's y prime. And for the derivative of y to the power 2, this is 2y times the derivative of y or y prime. Then for the derivative of y to the power 5, so we have 5y, then minus 1 for the exponent to the power 4 times the derivative of y. Then for the derivative of 4y to the power 3, so multiply these numbers. So this is 12. Then y minus 1 for the exponent to the power 2 times the derivative of y. So take note that for every derivative of y, there must be y prime. And this is how to find the derivative in implicit form. So for this given, to find the derivative, so we just need to find the derivative for every terms. So for the first term, the derivative of x squared, this is 2x, then plus the derivative of y squared, this is 2y times the derivative of y, then minus the derivative of 12x, this one is 12, because the derivative of x is 1, then plus the derivative of 4y, that's 4, times the derivative of y or y prime, then minus the derivative of a constant, so the derivative of constant, that's 0, then equals 0. Then this time we can group now all terms with y prime and the rest transpose to the other side. So we have now 2y, y prime, then this positive 4 times y prime, then this positive 2x transpose to the other side, so that becomes negative 2x. This negative 12 transpose to the other side, so this becomes positive 12. Then this time we can factor out now this y prime. So put this y prime outside, and the remaining is 2y plus for this term. So we have 4, then equals negative 2x plus 12. Then to solve for y prime, so divide both sides by 2y plus 4. Divide by 2y plus 4. Then cancel. So y prime equals, so observe that 2, 12, 2, and 4, all numbers divisible by 2. So we just need to reduce. And this negative 2 divided by 2, that's 1. So this becomes negative x, then plus this 12 divided by 2, that's 6. And for the denominator, this 2 divided by 2, that's 1. So we have y, then plus 4 divided by 2, that's 2. So this is now the first derivative. So since we have now this first derivative, so we can find now the slope of the curve, because the first derivative is equal to this loop, then we just need to substitute the values for x and y. So x is 0, y is 1 from this equation. So x is 0 plus 6, then y is 1 plus 2. Then to simplify, so we have this loop equals 0 plus 6, that's 6 over 1 plus 2, that's 3. So therefore, this loop is equal to positive 2. Then for this given, to find this slope of the curve, so first we need to find the first derivative. So the derivative of x squared, this is 2x, then plus the derivative of 2y to the power 2, so multiply these numbers. 2 times 2 is 4, then y times the derivative of y, that's y prime, then minus the derivative of 3x, that's 3 because x is equal to 1, minus the derivative of 4y, this is 4, times the derivative of y, then plus the derivative of a constant is 0 equals 0. Then we need to transpose all the terms with no y to the other side. So we have now 4y times y prime minus this 4, then y prime, then equals this positive 2x transposed to the other side, that becomes negative 2x. This negative 3 transposed to the other side, that becomes positive 3. Then this time we can put this y prime outside. So the remaining is 4y minus 4, then equals negative 2x plus 3. Then to solve for y prime, so divide both sides by 4y minus 4 over 4y minus 4, then cancel. So therefore, y prime equals negative 2x plus 3, then over 4y minus 4. So since we have now the first derivative, so this time we can find now the slope of the curve because the first derivative is equal to the slope. Then from this equation, substitute the values for x and y. So x is positive 1 and y is positive 2. So we have negative 2 times x. X is 1, then plus 3, then over 4 times y. Y is positive 2 minus 4. Then to simplify, so this negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 plus 3. 4 times 2, that's 8, then minus 4. Then simplify, so we have m equals negative 2 plus 3 is 1, then over 8 minus 4, that's 4. So therefore, this slope is positive 1 over 4.